सेकेंड नेक्स्ट टॉपिक है स्टेट ऑफ दिस सिस्टम. Property which is defined state any system is called its state variable. Thermodynamically variables or thermodynamic quantities. The state of system is defined by their measurable property like temperature, pressure, volumes. If any of these properties change, state of system is said to be changed. State function, those state variable which is depend upon the initially and final state of the system, does not depend upon path of mechanics followed by the system achieve the final state are called state function. State function denoted by the capital letter EHS GTPV. Path function property of the system is depend upon the initial and final state of the system as well as path mechanics followed by the system achieved final state are called path system. So work done, heat. Thermodynamic property, intensive property. The property of the system which is independent of the matter size or mass present in the system are called intensive property. Extensive property, the property of the system which are dependent matter size or mass present in the system are called extensive property. Extensive property, volume, number of mole, mass, Gibbs energy, entropy, enthalpy, internal energy, heat of capacity, force, surface energy, surface area. Intensive property, molar volume, density, Gibbs energy, specific energy, pressure, temperature, all concentration term, boiling point, freezing point, cell potential, specific conductor, refractive index, surface tension, pH varies because dependent of matter size and mass. A special point, the ratio of two extensive property indicated the intensive property D is equal to mass upon volume. The extensive property can be converted into the intensive property when they define or the unit amount of the substance mass of the per unit volume. D is equal to mass upon volume. Intensive property of the substance are non-additive in the nature, but extensive property are additive in the nature. Mass M1 and A S2 AB M1 total mass. Moles N1 N2 is equal to N1 plus N2. Volumes V1 V2. Density D remains. देखो extensive property है mass, volume and moles. By density and boiling point intensive property ये remains रहते हैं. Types of the thermodynamics process. When the system changes from one state to another, the portion are called thermodynamic process. The thermodynamic process may be in the form of the expansion or compression. Isothermal process, number of moles and temperature constants. Isothermal process are those processes in which temperature remain constant, delta T is equal to 0. Heat is exchanged with surrounding system is placed at a constant temperature for the ideal gas. In isothermal process, delta E is equal to 0 and delta H is equal to 0. All phase transitions are isothermal process, but delta E is not equal to 0 and delta H is not equal to 0.